Hello everyone, this is Team MassRose, and our HackHolyoke project is a number counting game called Number Nest. Ultimately, this game isn't finished, as you can probably notice by there not being any kind of image for the start screen. But what our goal for this game was to make a number counting game that interacted with the plus, the minus, the multiplication, and division symbols. And the goal of the player is to get as many points as possible using the combination of symbols that are inside each level. So if I were to start this game, as you can see, we have our player, which is a blue bird. You can move around this player with the up and side arrows on your keyboard. Since the bird is already falling due to gravity, you wouldn't need to have a down arrow. But so the bird would fly around the sky, and off of clouds it would collect numbers. First it would have to collect a number, then it would collect a positive like operation symbol. This would either be a plus or a multiplication sign. And the player would have to use any combination of numbers and multiplication or addition symbols to get as many points as possible per level. This, of course, would require them to avoid the rain, which there would be like little rain clouds at the top of the screen here for each level, and it would either rain subtraction symbols or division symbols. If a player were to collect a number and then get hit by a raindrop that would have a subtraction or division symbol, that particular number of points would be subtracted or divided off of the total score. We were not able to implement the counting system in time. It took a lot of time for us to think about it, so we didn't have a whole lot of time to make the numbers show up on screen on clouds and then figure out how the score would add up. We got very close in our idea for it, but the time it would take for us to put the concept into the game was more time than we had. Overall, though, this was very fun, and hopefully we may get a chance to finish this game. But I hope this video was interesting and the game idea sounds interesting to all of you. And thank you for watching.